Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a brilliant silver metallic 2015 Nissan Versa Note SL, stock number A6837. There are factory fog lights up front. The hood is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There are alloy rims here that is wrapped in a 15-inch Firestone Affinity tire. Inside there's a black cloth upholstery, and that's in fantastic condition. There is seating for 2 in the front row, and you have seating for 3 back in the second row. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. Coming back to the rear, inside of the trunk, as you can see, is very clean. That second row seating folds into a 60-40 split to give you some extra space when needed. And the reason that I'm showing you this Nissan today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have your usual power amenities. And then taking a step inside, on the left of the steering wheel here, you have audio controls. On the right-hand side, you have cruise control buttons. And then over to the center here, you do have a CD player along with an AM/FM radio. Coming down further here, you can see your climate controls. This is a continuously variable transmission. You have a 1.6-liter 4-cylinder engine, which in highway mileage gets you around 40 miles per gallon. If you'd like to get more information on this Versa or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com, where you'll also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.